Srimukalingam is a village panchayat in Jalumur Mandala of Srikakulam district, Andhra Pradesh, India. The Srimukalingeshwara temple is one of the popular Shiva temples. Is located at Srimukalingam. Srimukalingam is one of the famous Hindu pilgrimage centers in Andhra Pradesh. Srimukalingam was also capital of Eastern Ganga kings of Kalinga, ancient or Issa. The temple of Srimukalingam was built by Kamarnava II in 8th century AD of the Eastern Ganga dynasty. It is beautiful place located on the bank of river Vamshadhara. Nearest railway station to Srimukalingam is Urlam. Srimukalingam is one among the renowned Hindu pilgrimage centers in Andhra Pradesh. Srimukalingam was additionally capital of Eastern Ganga kings of Kalinga, ancient Orissa. The Srimukalingam temple of Srimukalingam was built by Kamarnava II in 8th century AD of the Eastern Ganga family line. Its lovely place set on the banks of river Vamshadhara. This is 48 kilometers from Srikakulam. This is the site of the ornate Lord Srimukalingeshwara Shiva temple. A massive gateway flanked by statue of lions marks the entrance to the outer prakara of the Mukalingeshwara temple. A Nandi Mandapa is situated in front of the sanctum in the outer prakara. The entrance to the inner prakara contains artistic friezes. Within the temple premises, there are 11 shrines in the inner prakara, each of them being a temple in itself. The entrance to the main temple from the south and from the east in the inner prakara are acclaimed to be artistic marvels. The niches in the outer wall of the temple contain beautifully sculpted images and perforated windows. All these features make this temple a veritable art gallery. It is believed the temple has been built during the period of the King Kamarnava 941 to 976 CE. The local legend prevails that anyone who takes a dip in the river and a visit to the shrine releases one from the cycle of rebirth. This temple is also one of the 3 temples built by the Eastern Ganga kings in the 10th century AD. The deities are Mukalingeshwara, Bhimeshwara and Someswara, and all these temples show evidence of the Orissa style of architecture, Indo-Aryan style. History of Srimukalingam temple. Srimukalingeshwara temple could be a temple dedicated to Lord Shiva settled on the left banks of river Vamshadhara. Elegantly enclosed, this temple could be a cluster of 3 temples dedicated to a few types of Lord Shiva, particularly Mukalingeshwara, Bhimeshwara and Someswara. The temple is constructed in Indo-Aryan style. To witness one amongst the marvelous sculptures, carvings and complex design, one must visit this Srimukalingeshwara temple. The design of the Srimukalingam temple is therefore elegant that one simple cannot move eyes from it. As you observe closely, you can see that each piece and corner of the temple is as wonderful because the alternative. At the Sri Mukalingam temple doorway, that is a vast arched gate, you are welcomed by two lines on both sides of the huge staircases. The primary gate takes you to the outer prakara have wherever there are you a Nandi in a very mandapam.
బాగా పురాతన గుడి ఇది.
A lot of in an
మరి
elaborate
ఏంది
way
డెవలప్ చేయట్లేదు?
inclined gate with figures of gods and goddesses take you to the inner prakara, wherever stands one amongst the master items of these times, the
అసలు
temple of Mogalingeshwara. At each corner of the inner
పెయింటింగ్
prakara,
లేకపోయినా
there
నీట్గా
are several
చేయొచ్చండి
little temples,
చేయాలనుకుంటే.
some dedicated to Lord Shiva in the shape of Someswara and Bhimeshwara, and Lord Ganesh. As you enter the temple within the inner compound, there square measure two temples dedicated to Lord Shiva, one at your right and also alternative at your left. Within the center stands the superb finely inclined temple. The walls of the temple within the center have pictures of gods and goddesses in their various avatars. You will see pictures of Lord Shiva along with his consorts. A number of them are types of Lord Vishnu on them. Each image depicts a story from the Shiva Purana. This is a gaggle of three temples
కోట్లింగాలు
designed by
లేవుగా.
the Eastern Ganga kings in the 10th century. The Sri Mukalingam temple shows the province type of design. The Mukalinga could be a virtual gallery. The entrance square measure a marvel in themselves. There is an embarrassment of sculptural work and perforated windows. The Bhimeshwara temple lacks its grand splendor. However, Someswara temple is additionally wealthy in sculptural work. Srimukalingam, it is additionally referred to as the Kalingara that was the capital of the first Eastern Ganga rulers. They ruled over Andhra within the last half of the first millennium metallic element. Someswara, easy in design, it is considered the earliest of the Srimukalingam temple. It is settled on the outskirts of the village of Mukalingam. The photographs within the niches have exotic sculptures. Two smaller niches flank every niche. The entranceway of temple bears the pictures of the Ganga and also the Yamuna on either side. Aniyanka Bhimeshwara was designed later than the Sri Mukalingam temple. Sri Mukalingeshwara Swami temple, it is plain compared to the grandeur of the Mukalingeshwara temple. The Devokestas bear the pictures of Brahma, Narasimha and Dakshinamurti. Architecture of Sri Mukalingam temple. A huge entrance is flanked by two lions at the doorway of the outer prakara of the Sri Mukalingam temple. A Nandi Mandapa is set in front of the sanctum. The doorway to the inner prakara contains lovely friezes. Their square measure 11 shrines within the inner prakara, every a complete temple. The doorway to the most temples is from the south and east. The niches within the outer wall contains lovely sculptured pictures and perforated windows all produce beautiful works of art. It had been designed throughout the amount of the King Kamarnava. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe youtube.com Indian Tourist.